The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest keeps stovetops and counters spotless. 4 slots for all your utensils, making multitasking a breeze. Heat-resistant and non-slip, the ultimate kitchen companion. Available in both large and extra-large sizes. Choose the perfect size for your needs. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Backed by Zulay's lifetime guarantee. Get yours today.
Are you tired of having a messy kitchen? I have the perfect solution. These beautiful paper towel holders. They will keep your kitchen neat and organized. I love them so much. To install, first wipe the bottom of your cabinet with a cloth. Then peel off the white adhesive tape at the bottom of the holder. Then choose the location that you would like it to be installed and press evenly. It can be installed in many different locations. Wait 24 hours, and then the paper towel holder will be firmly stuck in place.